Our library's catalog can be accessed from RV's main webpage at www.rvrhs.com. Scroll beneath the beautiful pictures on the main page to access the library's site. On the left-hand side, in the Quick Links box, select Online Catalog/Destiny. You don't need to be logged in to search, but you can log in using your student's credentials if you so desire. For these purposes, we'll just select Rancocas Valley Regional High School right here to get us to our main search page. And from here, you can search by keyword, subject, title, author, whatever you choose. Let's try a search now using the keyword college. Your search will yield a lot of results, but for these purposes, you'll be focused on looking for call numbers that begin with numbers. They represent those in our nonfiction selections, which is where you'll be focused on finding the information needed related to college and careers. On the right-hand side, this is where you'll know if a copy is available. 2 of 2 means we've got 2 ready to go. If it said 0 of 2, that means we're not quite ready for you yet, but you can let us know that this is the title you'd like for you or your child, and we'll be happy to hold it for you once it is returned. By clicking the title link, you'll be brought to a broader description of what this actual material contains in its contents. You can explore here a little bit more about each title. Going back to the search results up here and back up to the top, we can refine our search a bit. So this time, let's choose career. You'll get much of the same, but you'll also notice that we have ebooks represented here with these E's. So it's not a print version, and most often you'll see that there's unlimited copies, meaning more than one user can have it checked out at the same time. You can click open, and your student will need to log in using his or her credentials that they use here at this school. That's a brief overview of how you can search our collection, but always keep in mind, if you don't see what you're looking for, we can borrow titles for free via interlibrary loan from participating libraries throughout the state of New Jersey. Simply email the title or subject to one of the email addresses at the bottom of this workshop. We'll be happy to acquire whatever you need within the best of our abilities.